right, this is your overview video of the week. We are in week 30 in math, and this is for the week of April 5th through April 9th. When we go into Monday, we are wrapping up topic 16. I know that that was a review from the beginning of the school year. And on Monday, we're going to go back and revisit symmetry. So Monday, you're going to log into Savas and you're going to complete these 3 activities in order. They may be out of order when you log in, but just make sure that first you watch the video, then you do the independent practice, and on Monday there is an exit ticket. We'll plan to meet at 2 o'clock to review the exit ticket and do a little bit of FSA review for our FSA test coming up. When we go into Tuesday, you guys are going to complete the review for topic 16. That's on pages 613 and 614, and we will plan to meet at 2 o'clock to go over each of those problems. On Wednesday, we will not meet because you guys are going to complete the topic 16 test. Please just take your time and do your very best. Thursday is April 8th. You guys will actually be on campus. You are coming on campus to complete the FSA writing test, and after that, the only thing that we'll have to do for the remainder of the day is going to be this FSA review. There should be 10 questions. They are multiple choice, and we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over those problems. Now we're pretty much like in review mode, so you're going to see that the days look a little like similar. We have another FSA review. I believe this one is 9 questions. And then we will meet at 2 o'clock to go over those problems. That's your week in math. Let me know if you guys have any questions.